Make money with affiliate marketers for beginners. Join me as I take on the challenge of earning real money online through affiliate marketing. Let's see if I can make it happen this month. Affiliate marketing is a huge deal in today's online economy. It's basically a way for you to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. You find a product you know, like, and trust, and you share it with others, and you make a commission. One of the biggest misconceptions about affiliate marketing is the get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. It takes effort, patience, and a led strategy, and a mentor. Another challenge people face is choosing the right products to promote. So many options out there, it can be overwhelming to decide what's worth promoting. And then there's the issue of trust. Can you really make money with affiliate marketing? What I happen to have has taught me so much. And he is the number one earner in this particular company. And he's been a top earner in many different companies for about 12 years now. So if you want somebody to help you like he's helped me and help so many others, learning to rank videos, taking them step by step, getting on live calls with them on Zoom, not to mention the training site that he has, nearly $15,000 in bonuses that will explode any online business you want to do. He'll help you with any online business. But the number one thing you're going to need is traffic. If you can't get eyeballs to your offer, you're going to fail in this industry. But this guy will help you every step of the way. And not only is he going to help you, but he's going to help everybody else. And if you get in for the right with the right you not only get the 15th in bonuses, but you get it for your people as well and their people. That's what we're going to help you build your online business. We're also, anytime I get a sale, I'm going to take it put it into traffic to get more and I'm going to put you in the rotator so I can, be getting leads and sales from me. I'm going to share it with my people every time. So we have an online strategy that's going to kick ass and take names. We are the best team. There's not even a doubt about it in my mind. You can look at our videos and all over YouTube. And I was ranking from the very first video I put out there. And a lot of these ones, when I put them out, seconds later after I already complete the video, I'm number one. If you'd like to do the same thing, then you need to comment affiliate mentor. I'm ready to start. And I'll get you started right away. You can call us. The best way actually is text me. Make money with affiliate marketers for beginners. Join me as I take on the challenge and share your own experience or questions about affiliate marketing in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and help you in any way I can. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friend neighborhood settlement. And this is my affiliate marketing for beginners video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.